Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're going to show you how to make music in Infinite Craft. This is a very easy way. All you have to do is follow step by step. So first you're gonna need earth and then add a little more earth. We have mountain and then we add water and more water. We have lake and match that to the mountain and we have fjord. Leave it to the side, and now we create something more. Add fire, more fire. We have volcano, and match the volcano with fjord we just had, and we have Iceland. Leave the Iceland aside, and we add volcano, wind. We have eruption. Match that eruption to Iceland and we have fjord. Then we add Iceland to fjord, then we have music. That's how we do it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.